Hello! Good evening! Kumusta po kayo? Tonight, I'm going to share you a very simple dish. Actually, my Bisaya, I think they will not be appreciating this because this kind of food is just common for the Filipino. So, I just make this vlog intended for our friends from different parts of our country, diba? Because I noticed there's some foreigners, they are just starting researching our kinds of Filipino food, varieties of different kinds of food, like different kinds of fruits and different dishes. So I just seen one, foreign blog. So they just so amazed and enjoying sharing their experience here in our country. They're just some of our friends from other countries, some other bloggers. They just discover some different kinds of fruits. So they're so amazed and enjoying. Oh, I not yet eat that. So like for example, the jackfruit, the balimbing, the guava, the durian, whatever. So I realized now if I share this cassava, because cassava or bulanghoy in Visayan or CAMOTENG KAHOY, that is one of the Filipino food. So maraming paraan kung paano lutuin yung kamuting kahoy or cassava. There's or putong bulanghoy. Ayun. Tapos yung lulutuin na boiled cassava, just plain water. And also another way, this is the version that I make with coconut milk. I just like to share with them. What is cassava? Cassava is a kind of root craft. Cassava is a calorie-rich vegetable that contains plenty of carbohydrates. And cassava also is a good source of vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. So that's the benefits of the cassava. Guys, I just want to show you the sample of the cassava. Okay? This is a root craft. Sa Bisaya, tinatawag tong bulanghoy. In English, this is we call cassava. I'll show you the cassava trees. Now I'm gonna start to take out the skin of this cassava. Later I'm gonna show you. This is it, guys. I'm done taking out the skin of the cassava. So this cassava looks good, and this is not good. You have to examine the difference. So when it turns like this, do not cook, because it can you will be sick on it. It's not good to our health. Maybe you can be poisoned with this if you eat this. Look at that. There's black, gray. The good cassava, it looks like this, just plain white, okay. And here's the ingredients. That's the cassava, and the 3 cups of coconut milk, and half cup of dark sugar. Yeah, I'm going to cook this cassava with coconut milk since I already bought coconut. You can cook cassava just plain water. No need coconut milk and sugar, just plain water. That's okay. And this is another version also. Cassava, coconut milk and the sugar. So now I'm going to put all this cassava here. So ito, lulutuin na natin to. I think 20 to 30 minutes. So we'll just check now every now and then. So guys, if you have our friends who are not Filipino, if you have a cassava, don't take so long before you cook because it turns. Oh, so this is damaged already.
Is that damaged?
Yeah, no need.
No need to eat because
Yeah, no need
it's
to cook.
damaged.
No,
because
it's not good to cook.
It's look like a toothpick.
Yeah, listen, it's not good to cook.
No
of
cook.
Course, yeah, no
cook.
not good to eat.
No cook.
Not good
That's
to eat.
X.
Yeah, that's X. Okay, X.
If you not cook that,
Just
that's
throw it away.
That's
Just
check.
throw away.
Right.
We have to cover. Look at guys. It seems that it's still a little bit hard. Oh, so I plan to put some additional coconut milk, 2 cups of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Because I'm thinking earlier that this is just easy to cook because since it's just only few. But I was wrong. So I have to add 2 more cups of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Here we go. Have to add some more coconut. So let's just roll again. Still hard. Here we go, mga amigo at amiga. Parang luto na yung yung bulanghoy, yung kamuting kahoy. It seems na soft na siya, maputol na siya. So I think it's time to put some sugar. This is a black sugar. They call it kinugay. So you can also use brown sugar or black. So may extra na ako ng siguro mga 10 to oh my god. Ito na po guys, yung resulta ng aking niluluto. Look, oh. There's so many oil from the coconut. Okay.
It's yummy.
Because I put too much coconut milk. That's why lumabas yung niya. Natural oil niya. Kuha tayo ng spoon. Yun. Titikman natin. See? Ito na po guys. Titikman na natin yung cassava na niluto ko. Paparisan ko ng tsokolate. Maganda rin sa lutong to, maganda rin yung coffee. Kasi matamis siya. Yung cassava na kaya lang yung cassava maganda rin ipare sa coffee kasi matamis siya, di ba? More cassava here. Meron sa natural oil. Maraming mantika sa sa coconut. Masarap siya. Thank you sa nagbigay. Maraming salamat talaga. Bigay yan ng special friend ko. Kaya natagalan niyang naihatid. Kaya medyo na-damage na siya. Ano ba yung Tagalog na damage? Nasira. Yeah, maraming nasira siya. So, kaya ito na lang yung natira. Kasi maraming nasisira. Ayun. And that's all for tonight. And thank you for watching. And hope you enjoy. And stay safe, everyone. Because until now, the pandemic crisis is still going on. So, Just pray and keep safe. But before you leave, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Stay safe, everyone.